Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I gotta make this quick because my baby is about to wake up. So can I just show you guys, hold on, I just gotta show you guys this picture. So he is 5 weeks old, and you know, babies don't typically smile, like real smiles, until they're like 6, 8-ish weeks. You know, they'll do like the gas smiles, or you know, like the smiles when they're sleeping, which aren't real smiles, it's just like reflexes and stuff. My baby did a real smile yesterday, and I gotta show you guys. Oh my gosh, so friggin' cute. So perfect. And he actually just woke up, so I gotta go get him. So hold please. First question is, I love your videos, Vanessa. Name twins. This girl's name is Vanessa as well, obviously. I watch every single one of them. Thank you. Thank you so much for all of your reselling tips and tricks. My one question is, what is the benefit of sharing sold listings? I never ever do. So I don't share sold listings either. I don't know, I guess the thought is that if somebody's looking through your closet and, you know, they see some items for sale and some items that are sold, then they'll be more apt to buy something because they see that you've sold things before. I don't know. Personally, when I'm shopping on Poshmark, it doesn't and it wouldn't really matter to me. I tend to look at love notes more often, which isn't really a good indication because I feel like I would say like 20% of the people that purchase from me leave a love note. Just something that I do look at when I'm buying from someone else. But yeah, I mean, I guess that's the thought process. I mean, it kind of makes sense, but I don't do it for a bunch of reasons, mainly because I already have so many listings anyway. I don't want to have to share sold ones too. I just hit over 600 active listings. I'm at like 620 now. It makes sense, but it's not something that I do or something that I think is beneficial enough for me to do. Next question, do you share to your followers or just to parties? So I share mainly to followers. I honestly rarely share to parties unless I don't know, unless it's like a coincidence that a party's going on at the time that I'm sharing, and if it's, you know, the stuff that I have in my closet. But I don't go out of my way to share during parties, just because I haven't really found it that beneficial, honestly. Parties are just, I don't know, I feel like they're just kind of more of a social thing, and yes, you'll get a lot of like action in your closet, and action, I mean people following you, and sending you comments on items. Like if you get a host pick, you'll get a lot of comments. People like, mainly emojis, people like to put like 15,000 emojis and be like, congrats on your host pick. Here's 15,000 emojis. I have made some sales from parties, from sharing to parties and hosting parties, but it's not something where I've seen enough action, like sales wise, to where I go out of my way to share at parties. Like I said, if it's happening during a time when I'm sharing, if the themes fit my closet, then I will share, but I just mainly share to followers, like 99% of the time. Okay, next question. Hello, can you help me? Why can't the newly registered account upload products? I don't know what you're asking. Did you just sign up for Poshmark and you can't upload any pictures? I don't know. I don't know. I don't think there's a time frame from when you sign up to start listing. Yeah, I don't know. I would definitely reach out to Poshmark if that's even what you're talking about. I don't know. I don't even know if that's your question, but if it is, reach out to Poshmark. All right, next question. Hi, Vanessa. I was wondering if you ever heard Poshmark discussing changing the open evening party so it would be earlier for us East Coast people. Great for people in Cali where I know their office is. However, it doesn't even start until 10 p.m. Eastern. Thank you. Sandy, I agree. Okay. I'm on the East Coast, 10 to midnight. That's when mama's sleeping. You know, like that's when I'm sleeping. It's frustrating because that is when Poshmark gets the most action, is during that party, during that time frame, I have found. I don't think that they will ever change that because they already have a party at 7 o'clock Eastern time, which is the equivalent West Coast time to the 10 o'clock party. So like that's their last party of the day. But people on the East Coast have a party during that time. You know, if that makes any sense. So I don't think that they will change that. I think there are more Poshmark users on the West Coast. I could be wrong, actually. It's either that or there are a lot of users that are up at that time. You know, like a lot of, I mean, it makes sense because I feel like primarily Poshmark is younger people and, you know, old people like me are in bed by then. But I don't think they will change that because that's the West Coast's equivalent to our 7 o'clock party. Next question, when selling on eBay, do you have to weigh your items on a shipping scale to get the price of shipping? Yes. And that was honestly one of the things that kind of scared me with eBay. I was just kind of like, yeah, I don't want to have to go through the hassle. But right now I'm only selling, I'm only selling one particular item on there, and I already know the weight and like the dimensions of what I use to ship it in. So it's very easy for me to do shipping. But if I were to do like hard goods where, you know, things are different shapes and sizes and weights and stuff, that would, I don't know, I feel like that would kind of be annoying. I don't think I'll ever do that where I'll have like a bunch of hard goods that are different sizes and weights, just because I don't want to have to deal with that. But yes, that is something that you have to do on eBay. I recommend getting a scale regardless. It's just a very good tool to have as a reseller. I think I got mine from the post office. So mine's like a USPS official scale. I think it was like $30, but you can get them on Amazon for around that price or even cheaper. You guys, eBay is still blowing up for me. I'm honestly, I mean, I shouldn't be shocked because I know people have great success on eBay. I guess I'm more shocked at the item that I'm selling. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And again, not going to tell you guys. That was like a heated debate on 2 of my previous videos, actually. I got a lot of comments from you guys saying like, oh, I totally understand why you don't want to tell us. And some people were like, oh, it's not fair that you won't tell us. But yeah, I'm not... I got one comment that said I can understand why people are mad because you're like bragging about it, but you're not telling us. And I'm not bragging. I'm more like, holy shit, like you can literally sell anything on eBay. Like that's kind of more where I'm coming from. I'm not like, oh my gosh, you guys, yes, I'm selling this on eBay. I'm doing so well. La 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 la. Look at me. La la la. Like, no, I'm not like that at all. And for people that think that, I feel like they're new to my channel and don't kind of know who I am and like, you know, the way I present myself. I'm not like a braggy person at all. Like, no, that's not me. So yeah, I'm definitely not telling you guys that to brag. I'm telling you guys that more so, well, to tell you that if you're afraid of selling on eBay, don't be, because like I said, I was afraid and I'm not anymore. And honestly, anything will sell on eBay. Like when I say anything, I really truly mean anything. Maybe like clothing isn't your thing. You can literally sell anything on eBay. I mean, you know, within reason, you can't sell like friggin' drugs and weapons and stuff like that. But, you know, like pretty much anything else. And the last question is, hi Vanessa, I was wondering if you have joined Clubhouse or have heard of it. What are your thoughts? Yes, you guys. I'm obsessed with Clubhouse. If you guys don't know, it's an app. It's a new social app. And right now it's in the beta phase, invite only, which is frustrating, but again, it's in beta phase, so I totally understand. I was lucky enough to get an invite from a friend of mine, and honestly, I've been obsessed with it. I think I joined 4 days ago, or three or 4 days ago, and I've literally, all right, you guys want to look at this? This is gonna be funny. In 4 days, I've logged 13 hours on the app. So when I use Clubhouse, I mainly have it going like in the background to like listen to, you know, while I'm doing the millions of things that I do all day long. It's an app where you create like, you know, these little rooms and people have conversations. It's voice only, it's not video, which is good. And yeah, you know, there's a stage, there's people speaking, you know, you can be on stage too speaking, or you can just be in the audience listening, and there are literally rooms for anything. I mainly go to like reselling rooms or like small business owner rooms, entrepreneurship rooms. In a room yesterday with, who's calling me? Stop it. Joe Budden, the rapper Joe Budden. And I don't know, some of these rooms can be kind of like, but yeah, he had a room and it was just cool because you can like, there's like celebrities on there. I wouldn't really consider Joe Budden like a woo. I mean, you know, he's not a one hit song, maybe 2, you know, he's kind of popular. But yeah, there's like celebrities on there that it's really, really cool. I'm seriously obsessed with this app, and I don't have any more invites at the moment. They give you invites based on your activity on the app. I did have a couple invites when I first signed up, and I gave those away to people. And hopefully I'll get more invites soon, or maybe they'll go public soon. I don't know. But if you can get a Clubhouse invite, I totally recommend joining. It's really, really, really cool. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.